Friends, today we have the most revolutionary agricultural machines for you. Some of the models and their amazing working tricks make the process of growing and harvesting crops much easier. Seeing these machines in action is truly a treat for the eyes and a delight for the heart. I hope you guys stay with us till the end of the video. Believe me, you will be in for a surprise where your eyes will be satisfied with your knowledge. There will also be a lot of growth. This is an interesting machine that is used for harvesting carrots. Another model. It is a game of minutes to safely unroot and relocate the largest trees with the help of a modern machine. The spike of this machine is enough for a tree root width of 2 to 3 meters, which was never easy before this invention. This machine can easily move the tree from its place by digging neatly around the roots of the tree. Another model. Friends, whose food is being arranged here? Can you tell? What did it say? Exactly right. Friends, check out the work of this giant vacuum cleaner that cleans and beautifies the roads. Another model. Check out this giant bowser that can easily deliver water to far-off fields. Another model. Friends, this is one of the vehicles transporting large cotton bundles. There is a cage. Another model. Friends, this powerful loader can lift a bundle of 400 to 600 kilograms as easily as a glass of water. Another model. A different way of feeding animals will definitely appeal to you. A powerful tractor cleans the canal, ensuring water flow. Guys, here, a manual machine is busy peeling potatoes. Another model. Here, with the help of a high-speed plant, chicken is being assembled and prepared for transport at a fast pace. Another model. Guys, this cutter machine is cutting and tearing the wood into 6 small pieces for your winter fire. Another model. Friends, you may know what this ship-size machine is doing. Yes, it is plowing and making the land arable. Another model. Here, this small machine is filling the grain into the bag. Another model. Friends, see farmers harvesting rice crops and wrapping them up quickly. Friends, rice is being harvested with this small auto harvester. Another model. See the process of making a bundle of greens. Friends, here this machine protects the trees from insects by quickly spraying them on the trees. Another model. Friends, give this man a thumbs up for his centuries-old comic invention. This mechanical dog invention has given life to cattle farming, where the shepherd dog-style robot is engaged in the best monitoring of the animals while acting as a shepherd. Guys, this is another fully automatic container-type tea leaf harvester. Just check its speed. Another model. This ship-sized plant can easily milk 16 to 20,000 goats in a day. Another model. This harvester makes a soil bed before planting. Another model. Friends, looking at this machine, it seems that it is doing its job in the best way and in an excellent manner. Another model. Friends, here the rice plants are being transported to the fields with the help of baby train technology. Another model. Friends, this small CNC farming machine is doing its job beautifully. Does anyone know what this small farmer is doing? Please let me know in the comments. The shock of this machine is so strong that no apple dares to stop on any branch. Another model. This plant processes about 70 tons of green leaves for the market every day. Another model. This machine is engaged in making fodder for animals. Friends, this powerful plant is an expert at pulling out the roots of old, dead trees from all types of soil. Another model. This snowblower can easily clear up to 38,000 feet of snow from the roads in an hour. Another model. The plant is rapidly winding up the grass and making its bales. Is this speed possible by hand? Another model. Friends, without this machine, it would have been so easy to separate corn kernels. And this generator-operated machine has made making corn puffs even easier. Another model. Friends, here the harvester machine is easily collecting thousands of sweet pumpkins in an hour, and with the help of huge mechanical teeth. The dead pumpkins are crushed and their seeds are used. This is a very old model of high tractor with 4 additional small wheels that was used in tall crop fields. This model has now been replaced by a larger 4-wheel tractor. Friends, nowadays such robotic machines are used to break fragile vegetables and fruits at high speed. Another model. This helicopter is doing aerial spraying. Yes, nowadays, aerial spraying is done by helicopter in difficult places. Another model. Friends, check out this fire-breathing machine that is rapidly clearing the fields of useless weeds and insects before cultivation. And here too, earthworms, spiders, and weeds are being burned with the help of a torch. Another model. How charming is the scene of watermelon riding on this conveyor belt? Watch it and be happy. By the way, how much does it cost in your country? Check out this machine and how beautifully the disco harvester is doing its job. Another model. Friends, here this mechanical brush is not cleaning the tree, but it is busy picking apples. Isn't it funny what you say? Guys, here it is. Another model. The plant is engaged in cleaning waste grass and aquatic plants from the canal. Another model. Manual double-barrel harvester machine is harvesting the corn crop at high speed. Another model. Here, the tractor is quickly picking up the bundle of hay and tapping it. Another model. Here, through this machine, corn kernels are crushed together with leaves and eggs to prepare feed for small animals. This machine is capable of breaking fruits from 100 kilograms to 300 kilograms in one stroke. Here's a look at how easy this machine has made it to pluck sweet oranges from downtown and collect them through an inverted umbrella-shaped bowl. Another model. Citrus harvesting by a citrus harvester in the city. Another model. It has now become very easy to protect crops from insects by easily spraying at a distance of 150 meters at a speed of 10 to 15 hectares per bale through this spray machine. Another model. Such a harvester machine fulfills the dream of a lone farmer to plant trees in minutes, which might not have been possible without it. Another model. It is a portable feeder capable of feeding calves at a time in just 10 to 15 minutes. It is nothing less than a revolution in cattle farming. Another model. It is a heavy-duty tree trimmer machine that is used to cut a path between large trees and through dense forests. Another model. Friends, this is a powerful Colossus harvester that collects the cotton and packs it to transport it to the other side. Another model. This tree climbing machine is capable of lifting any farmer up to a height of 4 to 10 meters safely, which makes coconut cracking easier and allows the farmer to easily climb palm trees up to a height of 7 meters. Another model. This smart garden drone is very busy with its work. This garden drone is very helpful for farmers and has created a revolution in farming. Here's a look at how this powerful tree stump remover pulls out useless roots hidden in the ground. Another model. This machine is best for street line digging small canals. It doesn't care whether the land is wet or dry. It is an invaluable helper machine for farmers. Another model. It is a fully automatic harvester that acts as an essential helper for any farmer. Another model. The Christmas tree is being packaged by a wrapping machine, carefully wrapping random branches before shipping. Another model. Just see here how much energy and time farmers save by using this path joiner for planting. Here you see the artistry of this powerful machine and how smartly it is doing its work. Another model. Here tea leaves are being collected by a tea leaf machine, saves both the time and labor of the farmer. Another model. The sight of sprinkling water on the trees through this fountain-like machine is certainly excellent and heartwarming. Another model. The blueberry harvester is doing great here. But the farmers are also doing a good job with their hands. It is estimated that the farmers pluck up to 800 kilograms of blueberries from this field every day. Another model. After seeing the movement of this agricultural machine, tell us in the comments what you remember from your childhood. Another model. This unique paper conveyor system is capable of rapidly growing plants in any field, completing weeks of work in hours. Another model you need now is a compact wrapper machine to store large packages before transporting them for weeks, saving both labor and time. Another model. Friends, with this machine, the surplus grass and plants grown on the land are burned before cultivation. Another model. How do you like the tunnel-shaped chakra that watered hundreds of plants, including pots? Be sure to tell us in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. You'll like to do so and subscribe. It may seem very simple to you, but it is very valuable to us. Thank you very much for your support, and be safe.